Hello, my name is Zoe and I'm the School Support Coordinator with ChatterHigh. Today, I'm going to show you how to do the Mindful Modules activity on ChatterHigh. Mindful modules cover essential topics to prepare for life outside the classroom. Let's explore them. First things first, go to your ChatterHigh dashboard and here, click on See My Modules. Here, you can see all the modules that are currently available. Note that we often add new modules to this page. First, you'll notice that your teacher may have assigned a module for you to complete. Assignments will appear at the top of the page under My Assignments. By clicking on the arrow, you can also see the due date for this assignment. Now, let's say that you've completed all assignments or that your teacher has not assigned anything. You can continue exploring to the other modules by scrolling down to all available activities. Here, you can choose to filter the modules by topic. Topics available include career and pathways, colleges and universities, financial literacy, health, wellness and safety, and humanities. Let's say that I'm looking to learn more about a certain career or pathway. I can click on the filter, and here I can see the different career and pathways modules that are available. If I want more information about the Let's Explore Engineering module, I can click on the ellipses and click on Description. By clicking on the arrow, I'm also able to see how many questions are in each part of this course. When you're ready to start a module, click on the arrow and I suggest that you start with the first part of the course. Click on Start. The course has now begun. Let's answer a question together so that you get an idea of how it works. So in this case, the first question is mostly to introduce the module. So you can select Continue and click on Submit. The module really starts with question 2. So you can read the question, and before answering, you'll notice that you have to do a research to be able to submit your answer. So by clicking on Research, you will be brought to a reputable website where you can find the answer. Answers are usually pretty easy to find, but sometimes ChatterHigh can also give you a hint to make the research easier. Once you think you have the answer, select the option you would like to choose and click on Submit. You get 50 points for doing the research and another 50 points if you get the answer correctly. So as you can see, you get a total of 100 points per question. If you don't have time to finish a module in one sitting, don't worry. Next time you log into your ChatterHigh account, you can always pick up where you left off by going back here, finding the module, and clicking on Continue.